Now I will give some introduction for carry ingredient M Sendirian Berhad in Tamboi, Johor Bahru, Malaysia. First, what is Carry Group? Carry Group was founded in 1972 in Listowel, County Carry, which contained 147 manufacturing locations in 35 countries around the globe, for example Ireland, France, Indonesia, India, Japan, and so on. It contains more than 23,000 employees, 1,100 scientists, flavorists, chefs, and baristas in Carry, produce more than 18,000 products, and gain more than 1.2 billion consumers around the world. Then, for the carry ingredient M Sendirian Berhad in Tamboi, there are mainly 6 buildings in this plant, which are 40-meter high building that contain 2 spray dryer, blending area, offices, lab and dispensing area, and warehouse. For the process capability, the dryer 1 is tall foam dryer, dryer 2 is multi-stage dryer, and blending is ribbon blender. For the facilities, there are supply chain, warehousing, and pilot plants. Next, we move on to the categories of products that produce from Carry, which are test ingredients, nutrition ingredients, functional ingredients, food solutions, beverage solutions, food service, and then the pharma and biotechnology products. The products are produced under Carry such as chili sauce, Carry creamer, and so on. And then this is the brands collaborate with Carry such as Nestle, McDonald's, Burger King, and so on. Now, let's see the carry ingredient M Sendirian Berhad have gained any important certificate. The first is Food Safety System Certification, which is FSSC 22000 V5.1. Next is HACCP, which is the Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point Certification. Third is the Certification of Authentication Halal by JAKIM. Next is the Veterinary Certified by Minister of Agriculture and Food Industry MAFI. Other than that, carry ingredient M Sendirian Berhad also obtained the Round Table on Sustainable Palm Oil by Syrin QAS International Syrin QAS. Also, Carry gained the certificate of ISO 14001-2015 and ISO 45001-2018. These certificates are important in manufacturing of spray dry and dry blender product.
So, this is the key milestone for Carry Ingredient. In 1998, Carry Ingredient had its first site in Southeast Asia acquisition from SDF. In 2001, they commissioned Dryer No. 2 in Johor Bahru. In 2004, Carry Ingredients had upgraded D2 to meet infant formula manufacturing standards and modified Atmosphere Packaging System MAP in 2010. In 2008, they upgraded the white compounding system to meet international dairy processing standards. In 2014, Carry Ingredients were awarded the OSH National Award. In 2016, they commissioned of new dry blending line. In 2017, Carry Ingredients were awarded the Prime Minister Hibiscus Award (PMHA). In 2019, they were awarded the Jaya Green Initiative Award for Carbon Footprint Reduction from Island Region and Federation of Malaysian Manufacturers FMM Excellent Award Gold Award. In 2021, they awarded the National Energy Award 2021. In 2022, it is the launch of 1 KPS, which is One Carry Plant System. Next, we have the One Carry Plant System Implementation Tamboi Governance. So, Mr. Tin Yong Chong is the Southeast Asia Manufacturing Director, followed by change agents, Chia, Rendra, and Nangan. There are site leadership teams under the Operations Director, Mr. Tam Pei Ling. Then, it also has the Regional Small and Medium Enterprises, SMEs.
In the morning, we gather at L01 and go to the plant by bus. After about half hours, we arrive the plants. Then, we are brought to the guest room and listen the explanation. The Health and Safety Executive Manager, Mr. Sosoli, give us the explanation about the safety information in plants. And then the Production Manager, Richard Lau, give us the brief explanation about plants.
Then we are separated into a few groups. There are few steps before entering power plant. First of all, place your shoes in the designated cabinet. After that, wear what safety shoes provided and sanitize the shoe sole. Wear helmet, wear cover and PPE. Wear GMP coverall provided. And lastly, wash your hands clean. Next, I'm gonna talk about do and don'ts in the power plant. First of all, no smoking. Second, be alert of forklift movement. Keep hands and clothing clear of moving moving machinery. After that, 3 points of contact. Hand always holding the headrails when going up and down the stairs. Use safety equipment. Lastly is emergency response. Go to the nearest assembly point when emergency alarm sounds. Alright, so this is some photos that taken in the power plant. So this is several safety actions that must be taken of the employee in the power plant.
Next, we move on to the overview of production process flow and product. Our exploration begins in the spray dryer plants, a realm of precision engineering and scientific mastery. Here we find the tall form spray dryer ones, an engineering's marvel dedicated to the production of non-dairy creamers and moving creamers. With an annual capacity of 28,000 metric tons, these facilities operate as a testament to the pursuit of excellence. The process commences with the meticulous selection and blending of specific ingredients. The resultant mixture undergoes a sophisticated brace process between the towering chamber, yielding finally powder particles. These methods ensure unparalleled qualities and consistency across our product range. Progressing further, we encounter the multi-stage spray dryer tool, a versatile entity specializing in nutrition-based and lipids. Boasting a yearly capacity of 38,000 metric tons, it stands as a cornerstone in our commitment to delivering nutritional superior ingredients. The multi-stage process involves the transformations of carefully selected nutritional components into powders, serving as the foundation elements for a diverse array of applications ranging from health supplements to fortunes food products. Our education odyssey extends to the blender plants, where innovative processes converge to shape the code of our product range. Here, the ribbons blender takes center stage, orchestration the harmonious blend of beverage, space, and milk replacement. With an annual capacity of 8,600 metric tons, these facilities epitomize precision in formula. The ribbon blending process ensures uniform mixing, producing a homogeneous blend that serves as the cornerstone for a diverse range of beverage and daily products. In this segment, we dive into the intricate process of spray drying and carry ingredients. These crucial methods transfer liquid into fine powder, laying the foundation for the exceptional product that emerge from this facility. The process one begins with the meticulous preparation of raw materials. In the staging and dispensary areas, each ingredient undergoes a true quality control verification to ensure the highest standards are maintained. The process two begins once the ingredients are meticulously measured and verified. They are carefully tipped into the dissolver, tipping over or scanima, following precise mixing instructions. The process three is pasteurizing, marked as critical control point 1. This process involves subjecting the mixture to a minimum heat transfer of 77 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, ensuring the highest standard of hygiene and safety. The process 4 is the heart of the operation, spray drying. This process involves dewatering the mixture, transforming it from liquid form to fine powder that retains the essence of the original ingredients.
Now let's go on to step 5, which is filling, waving, sealing, and stitching. The finished processed products are filled into 20 or 25 craft bags or bulk bags of 650 kg. Now, this is a crucial part of the production line, which is metal detecting. Every finished product must go through a metal detecting point to ensure that the food is safe to be consumed by customers. The critical limit of a metal detector is 2 mm Fe, 2.5 mm non-Fe, and 2.5 mm stainless steel with a secondary standard of 1.8 mm Fe, 2.5 mm non-Fe, and 2.5 mm stainless steel. Next, Next is weight check weighting. The weight of each item is checked to guarantee that the product produced is perfectly aligned with industry standards. Process 8. Labeling. Labeling is the process of attaching a label of a product, providing essential information about it, for example, expiry date, ingredients, nutritional facts, and identification marks. The last step of the production line is palletizing and storage. After the products go through all the quality control process, the goods are placed together on top of a pallet. Each pallet consists of 1 metric ton. By doing this makes it easier for the handling equipment to transport it. After that, the pallets are sent to the warehouse for storage.
Last, after the closing ceremony, we take group photo with employees in carry.
What are the observations and learning from this industry visit? First, the most interesting observation is pedestrian walkways, which is their method to reduce accidents happening in the plant. The pedestrian walkways are formed by 2 yellow lines inside and outside of the plant. Both employees and visitors have to make sure to be inside the walkway when they are walking around. The purpose of this is to make an alert on the forklift movement. The forklift drivers can notice more about the people walking on the walkway, especially around the corners and doorways. Another best observation of the plant is its hygiene control. Workers and visitors had to wear the white safety shoes provided and sanitize the shoe soles with a specific washing machine for 10 seconds. They also have to wear a hairnet, bird cover, face mask, PPEs, safety glasses, and GMP coverall. Before entering the plant, they had to have their hand wash and sanitization again.
Last is the experience learned from the industry visit. First, we learn about the early exposure to the industry, such as how an industry works in a day. For example, machines, procedures, systems, and management in a plant or an industry. And also we learn about how the workers, supervisors, and managers work as a team and cooperate to ensure the task given can be completed perfectly within the due time. Then, we also learn about the importance of technology, such as only have to control the machines and monitor the process through the computer. By using these technologies, not only save time and energy, but also more precision and reduce the risk of accidents from happens. Last but not least, we learn the importance of food safety also. For example, the guidelines and the hygiene control in plants. This related to the safety and health of the users, but also represent the reputation of a company. If the reputation of a company is good, the production might increase due to the satisfaction from the users.